So now I am dictating a small summary to you with respect to call option holder and call option seller. A small summary. For call option holder slash buyer and call option seller or a writer. So the first point is expectation about price change. We can see that this is the diagram for the call option holder, in which call option holder will be able to make profit if at all the price of the security increases. So we understand that basically any trader, any investor, any speculator who is entering into the transaction for the purchase of call option, then basically he is expecting that the price of the underlying asset will increase. So expectation of that is about the price change, in that call option holder, in column we can write increase. And for call option seller, so for call option seller we understand he is basically expecting, that is speculator is expecting that the price of the security will fall down in a way that the option will not be exercised at all, and whatever the amount of the premium that he is going to receive will be the amount of the profit that he will be able to make. So basically he is expecting that the price of the security will fall down, will decrease. Second point, maximum profit. In case of call option holder, we can say that if at all the price of the security increases, then in that case there is a possibility of unlimited profit. So over here, there is a possibility of unlimited profit. And call option seller will be having the limited profit equal to the option premium. So we understand it is limited profit equal to call option premium. Third, we can write maximum loss. Call option holder will have the maximum loss equal to the option premium, and call option seller will have the possibility of unlimited loss. So option premium is the maximum loss and there is unlimited loss potential. Fourth, break even point. As far as the break even point is concerned, in both the cases the break even point would be same, that is exercise price plus premium amount, and similarly over here exercise price plus premium amount. So the break even point is exercise price plus premium, exercise price plus premium. See, understanding one important quotation of the stock derivative in that option. The security that I have selected is once again Reliance. The price of the security in the spot market is 2365. That is a spot price. You can see that, say, we are in the stock option. It is going to expire on 25th of November. Call option and another put option is also there, but we are focusing on the call option. See, again over here we can see that, say, there are two types of prices that we have. One is 11 rupees 75 paise and 12 rupee 10 paise. Again, we have to understand that, say, if at all I want to buy option, then 12 rupee 10 paise is what I have to pay to purchase the option, and if at all I want to sell option, then in that case I will get 11 rupees 75 paise. This is what, say, we understand, say, is the kind of, say, the option that we have. And you can see that, so over here the strike price or exercise price is 2400. So for this strike price, say, we can see that, say, this is the premium which is going on. Again, the quantity is what you can see, it is in multiple of 250 because the market lot is 250. This is the market lot 250. So over here you can see that, say, all the quantity is in multiple of 250. So we have to understand that, say, for strike price of 2400, if at all I want to purchase, say, the option right now, then I have to pay premium of 12 rupee 10 paise. And if at all at that price I want to sell option, that is sale call option, I will get 11 rupees 75 paise. That is what we understand. So over here we understand like this. I just say repeat the things that whatever I explained to you. If at all at this point of time somebody is purchasing the right, then in that case he or she is required to pay 12 rupee 10 paise as the premium amount. If at all on the expiry of the option, spot price of the equity share is greater than 2400 plus 12.10, then he or she will make a profit for buying the option. If it is less than or equal to 2400, he will be having, say, the loss equal to 12.10. The transaction can be entered upon at least for 250 shares or in multiple of that. So 12.10 into 250 is the amount of the premium that, say, you have to pay. If at all you sell option, then in that case you will receive 11 rupees 75 paise on one share into 250 is the amount of the premium that you will receive. If at all the spot price of the equity share is, say, remaining 2400 or lower than that, then in that case the amount of the premium that you have received is the profit. If at all the price is exceeding 2400 plus 11 rupees 75 paise, that is 2411.75, then in that case you will have a loss. As and when the price increases, so the amount of the loss will increase. This is the way we will have the transaction. Now if at all you change the date of expiry, then in that case, say, you will be having, say, the revise the premium amount. Instead of call, you can also enter into the transaction for put, and in respect of the exercise price you will be having, say, again the number of exercise price for which, say, you can do the transaction. This is the way we will have the exercise price. Now I am going in the option chain. In that, again the same security, that is, so the Reliance security 2365 is the spot price. So I am going for an exercise price which is near to it. So 2365, near to that set is 2360 and 2380. The exactly the middle, the blue, like the is what we understand is the strike price or exercise price. On the left hand side the call option information is given, and on the right hand side put option information is given. Of course, for the time being we are going to, say, focus on the put option and not, sorry, call option and not on the put option. You can see that, say, I am focusing on the exercise price 2380. Listen me carefully, I am focusing on the exercise price 2380. Left to it, it is 250, that is the lot size provided to us. Left to it 20, again left to it, it is 19.25. Now understand that, so there are two call premiums provided to us. 19.25 and 20. So 19.25 is the price at which you can sell the option and 20 rupees is the price at which you can buy the option. The reason that I have taken say the exercise price which is near to the spot price, because in that you will find that say the number of like the transactions, that is the reason, there is no other reason. Now I want you to focus on a point like this. I am focusing on the premium amount say to buy the option now. So I am focusing that is exercise price from that say the second left, so 20 rupees. Okay. Now you can see that say when exercise price reduces from 2380 to 2360, the premium increases to 31.7. 2340, the premium increases to 49.5. 2320, premium increases to 88.4. That is 2300, premium increases to 81.95. In a way that say logically we understand that say in case of call option, whenever the exercise price will reduce, the premium amount will increase. When the that is exercise price increases from 2380 to 2400, premium is 12.10. From 2400 to 2420, it is 7.65. Logically we understand that say if at all I want to buy option with the lower exercise price, then in that case of course there will be more chances for me to make a gain. If at all the chances of making gain increases, then in that case so the amount of the premium will obviously be more. If at all you purchase the call option with exercise price 2300 instead of 2400, then of course the amount of the payoff say will be more by 100 rupees if at all both options are worth exercising. That is the reason so of course the amount of the premium for 2300 will be more in comparison to 2400. What you can see over here, it is 81.95 is more than 12.10, that is say 12.10. This is the way say we can understand that say the relationship between the call premium and say the exercise price of the option. How this premium is decided, for that say we are going to understand that certain theory that is called binomial method, risk neutral method, Black and Scholes method. Like that a few theories also we are going to understand. We can understand something like this further. Let's say if at all I want to buy, let us say that's the life insurance for say me. If at all I want to have the sum assured, let us say an amount of rupees 1 crore, that is in the event of my death, so my family members will be compensated with an amount of rupees 1 crore. Then that amount of 1 crore rupees say is having a premium of let us say 25,000 rupees. Now instead of 1 crore, suppose I want to have the sum assured of rupees 2 crore, then what will happen? So the amount of the premium will also increase. Why? Because if at all I want to have more compensation to be paid to my family members in the event of my death, then in that case I have to pay more amount of the premium. Similarly, say whenever you buy call option, then in that case with the reduction in the exercise price, so the amount of the payoff is definitely going to increase. If at all say you purchase the call option with exercise price rupees 2300 and the spot price is 2450, you will have the payoff of 150. And if at all you purchase the same call option say with exercise price of 2400, you will have payoff of only 50 rupees. It means that say with the reduction in the exercise price, you will be able to get higher amount of the payoff. Let us see our next question. For security X, call option information is provided as under. There are two exercise price 300 and 270. For exercise price 300, amount of the call premium is 50 rupees. And for exercise price of 270, the information about the call premium is not given. You are required to answer that say for option having exercise price 270, premium amount will be, you are required to give answer for one of the three options. Please write your answer in the chat box. We understand that say in case of call option, with the reduction in exercise price, the amount of the premium will increase. So write down answer of the question. In case of call option with reduction in exercise price, comma, call premium increase, full stop. So option having exercise price rupees 270 will have a call premium more than rupees 50. Now, an additional explanation only for understanding, read on with paragraph. In case of call option, comma, call option holder will have more payoff with a reduction in exercise price, full stop. So premium amount increases with reduction in exercise price.